Oops, there's a blue jay. Maybe he'll teach you how to do it. I think it must be Willow, the hairy woodpecker, because she looks too big to be a little downy. See how he's doing it? Now your turn. That's a girl. You smart girl. My goodness, you're a quick learner. Good one. Smart girl. So, blue jays are good for something. August 8th, 2016 at about 6 p.m. You smart girl, Emma. Oh, sorry, Willow. Oh, you're a hungry one. That's fantastic. Bye.